Hey everyone, welcome to Willis Elevators and welcome to another trip report video. As you can see, here I'm currently on my way to Cairo International Airport. In today's video, we will be flying on Air France Airbus A350-900 aircraft to Paris Charles de Gaulle Airport. The A350 was produced in June 2013 and it entered service in January 2015. Air France got that aircraft back in September 2019 and it made its first flight on October of that same year. The airline is expected to receive 20 more A350s in 2025, which will replace the current 777s and the A330s. This is my very first time flying on that new plane. We got past the TSA and we are heading to Gate E as in Echo 11 AS Alpha from Terminal 2. We can't see the aircraft from here, but the aircraft we will be flying on is registered Foxtrot-Hotel Tango Yankee Lima that was delivered 2 years ago in December 2021. The time for the flight will be 4 hours and 18 minutes and we will be flying over the altitude of 38,000 feet and the flight number is 567. Our flight has been delayed 5 hours due to technical problems, but here we are now boarding Gate E11A and we are about to get inside the boarding bridge.
Welcome on board.
35K.
Oh, monsieur, il est en forme.
This way on the right.
All right. Excuse me. And once we're on board the A350, you are greeted with this beautiful interior. The A350 features a 3-class configuration with 34 light flatbed seats with a pitch of 74 and the width of 21. 24 premium economy seats with the pitch of 37 and the width of 18.8, and 266 economy class seats with the pitch of 31 and the width of 17. I'm heading to my seat 36K, which is in the middle seat. Even if I didn't get a window seat, we can still get some views outside. Here's your quick view outside.
Maybe I should film all of this.
Here I have not much of a legroom. Here's the tray table, which is big. It pulls back, and right there is the cup holder where you put your drink. And there's another cup holder out here. And up here you have your overhead controls. Here's the safety card, which shows the safety instructions.
So this is my first time on the A350.
No, this one. Okay. This one? Yeah, just...
And once you get to your seat, you'll find a pillow, blankets, and headphones. Right there's the crew using the bug spray to fight the mosquitoes.
Météo on aura quelques nuages avec un peu de vent du sud. Voilà, encore une fois, je vous présente toutes mes excuses pour ce départ retardé. Quoi qu'il en soit, and some cloudy weather. I will leave you in the care of our commercial crew. They will take care of you.
After so long, here we are now pushing back from Gate E11A and listen to the motor start up.
Vérification de la porte opposée. Monsieur, bonjour et bienvenue à bord.
Welcome aboard, ladies and gentlemen.
Ce film concerne votre sécurité. Merci de nous accorder votre attention.
For your safety and comfort, please take a moment to watch the following safety video.
Chaque fois que ce signal est allumé, nous vous prions d'attacher votre ceinture.
Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, please make sure your seatbelt is securely fastened.
Nous vous recommandons de la maintenir attachée de façon visible lorsque vous êtes assis à votre siège.
We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened
supérieur de la boucle.
Here's your view of the safety video.
Le décollage et l'atterrissage. Veuillez redresser votre siège, ranger les porte-gobelets, la tablette et le repose-jambes. Pensez également à ouvrir le cache de votre volant et profitez de la vue.
During taxi, take off and please also raise your window blind and enjoy the view.
Pour votre sécurité, tous les bagages, objets volumineux et appareils électroniques.
And as we begin to taxi, the LED lights have changed. And here we are now taxiing to runway 05 center, and we will be taking off shortly.
En cas de fumée, de dégagement de chaleur, de chute ou de perte d'un appareil électronique, nous vous demandons de prévenir l'équipage et de ne pas manipuler votre siège.
Should you notice smoke or heat, or if you drop or lose your electronic device, we kindly ask you to call a crew member and not to move your seat.
Gardez toujours un œil sur vos appareils électroniques pendant le chargement.
Always keep an eye on electronic devices while they are charging.
Nous allons bientôt décoller. La tablette, le porte-gobelet et le repose-jambes doivent être rangés. Et votre
تعرف فرع الكر هو اللي حدايا
سالي ثانية
ما عرفتش منين
ما سالي ثانية
هانية ما يخليني الناس
صحة الناس
Alright, so here we made it on runway 05 center. So kick back, relax, and enjoy the takeoff. Alright, we have just begun our takeoff from Cairo and we are reaching our initial altitude of 38,000 feet.
Fumez dans les toilettes ou portez en tête afin d'éviter le risque d'écrasement de vos appareils électroniques type smartphone ou tablette dans votre siège. Nous vous recommandons de les ranger. Si votre appareil venait à glisser sous un siège ou si vous ne parvenez pas à le localiser, alertez immédiatement l'équipage sans manipuler votre siège. Ladies and gentlemen, you may leave your seat when the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. During the cruise, recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened and visible to facilitate our checks in case of turbulence. Please be careful in opening the overhead compartments as items may fall out. Smoking in the toilets or tampering with smoke detectors may result in prosecution. The use of e-cigarettes and the charge of its battery are not permitted. You may use your in-seat PC or USB socket to recharge your electronic device. To avoid the crushing risk of your electronic device within your seat, we strongly recommend that you stow it away safely. Should your electronic device lie under a seat...
Shortly after takeoff, the crew asked all of the passengers to close all windows so that everyone can sleep. To connect to the airline's Wi-Fi, first go to Settings, then tap on the Air France Connect network. And after choosing that network, it takes you to the first step to get started. And the second step was to tap on the Connect Now button. After that, it takes you to Safari and it gives you many options. Messaging is free, but browsing content charges money. Here's the IFE screen, which the first thing is the language screen. You choose any language you like before getting started, and after choosing the language, a small commercial comes up. Here's also an option if you want to pair the screen with your device. Like, for example, you can use your phone as a remote control. I tried doing that, but it didn't work. You are now able to browse any content such as TV shows, movies, games, and so much more. On top of the screen, there's the flight button where you tap to look at the flight details, and to view the map, tap View Map, and the flight path 3D automatically comes up. This map is so much like Google Earth where you use your finger to move the map. And as you can see, we're about to leave the country of Egypt. There's an I button down below and it gives you the options on how you want to control the movie map. It also has the pilot and the passenger options. There's also a menu option on the screen which has a variety of food and beverages. Here's also the Wi-Fi option, which also shows how to connect the Wi-Fi just like I showed you. And there's also a camera option which you can use to spot outside the plane. To power off the screen, there's the power button on top, and to turn it back on, just tap it. I would really love to get more views outside flying out of Egypt, but I can't because everyone is asleep. But hey, at least we can get some views using the flight camera. During the flight, the crew handed out a wet towel. And here I got a cup of water and I accidentally got 2 cups. Let's go check out the middle lavatory of the A350. Okay everyone, here we are in the middle lavatory of this Airbus A350-900 aircraft, and look in the mirror, hey! And as you can see, the bathroom is beautiful. Look at that, I really like that lighting. Look at that, people, and we have low light, and so to start off, we have the door lock here, and then as you can see, the light is everything's low light, but if you lock the door, the light brightens up, so... We have your sink here. And wonder what's this? No idea. But here's soap. Here's your trash bin. And right there is toilet paper. And here's the commode with the flush button. And right here's the baby changing station. This bathroom is so beautiful. And here's your hook. And here's the cigarette disposal, and I think down here is the, no idea what that is, but I think somewhere here, that's where you get your plastic cup, and here's the cabin crew call button, and here's the no smoking sign, and so, it's just a beautiful bathroom, people. So, anyways, we're gonna head back to our seat now. As you can see, one of the lavatories are out of order. Anyways, let's head back to our seat now. And as you can see, we are flying over Greece now. For some unknown reason, the entertainment on my phone doesn't seem to work. Here we are now flying over the state of Italy, and yes, we are still far from France. Sometime later, I was now able to get a bluish view outside. We are currently flying over Apulia, which is in the Adriatic Sea. Later in the flight, breakfast was served. There were only 2 choices. I went with pancakes, which is about to arrive. Alongside there's a croissant, a bread roll, orange juice, plain yogurt, strawberry jam, butter, and fruit. And here I got coffee. And here are the pancakes. I gotta say that the pancakes are so delicious, and the croissant also. And here we get the cloudy view. And after 4 hours, here we are now descending in Paris, in which we're going below the altitude of 38,000 feet.
Sur un vol Air France au départ de l'aéroport d'Orly ou sur le TGV à récupérer leurs bagages à l'arrivée, un changement de dernière minute est toujours possible. Merci de vérifier sur les bornes libre-service et les écrans d'information à votre disposition que votre porte d'embarquement n'a pas changé. Un très bon voyage. To Paris, please return to your seat. Your hand baggage must be stowed in your overhead compartments and accessories under the seat in front of you. Please go back.
And as we are on our final approach to Paris, here's a beautiful view, and we will be landing on runway 26 left. so good. Here we are now pulling into gate E as in Echo 11, A as in Alpha in Terminal 2E.
Dernier virage.
PNC aux portes. Désarmement des toboggans.
In this next scene, this is deboarding Air France Airbus A350 Flight 567 from Cairo, Egypt to Paris, France.
It's raining.
Well everyone, that's going to wrap up the trip report video on Air France Airbus A350-900 aircraft from Cairo to Paris. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what everybody thinks. So till then guys, thank y'all for watching and see you in the next one.